Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change highlight color in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open a Google Spreadsheet. Now I'll change this text box text highlight color. Double click on this text box and open drawing tool. Now drag your mouse, select your highlighted text and now click this three dot option and click this highlight option. Now you can change your highlight color. I'll choose this yellow color and see this yellow color now applied. Also I'll change this text color and see this, and I'll remove this highlight color or change this one and see this highlight color now change. Also I'll change this text highlight color, pink color. Also I'll add new highlight color, selected text, drag your mouse and inserted this color and see this. In this you can change your highlighted color or you can add new highlighted color as you like. Yeah, this is, and finally select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.